Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best splash-proof dog water bowls that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Slopper Stopper Dripless Water Bowl. A dripping muzzle can be annoying when you've just finished your day's mopping. A dog water bowl that reduces spills and splashes by 85% will save you the frustration of having to mop all over again. The Slopper Stopper Dripless Water Bowl has a standard 1 gal capacity. But you can choose the lid to suit your dog size, between 0 to 20 pounds for small dogs to 131 pounds and above for giant dog breeds. The lid keeps the splashing from your dog's lapping within the bowl. The paws, ears, and muzzle are all kept away from the water by the lid. All this guarantees a dry floor, avoiding any accidental slips and falls. The dog's drinking speed is equally controlled, protecting your pet from choking. Fitted with a top lid, the deep Slopper Stopper Dripless Water Bowl is your ideal choice for a healthy dog and a dry floor. You will not need to chase after a pet with a dripping muzzle, and your dog is protected from choking due to fast drinking. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Feeder Deluxe. The Feeder Deluxe offers your pal a one-stop feeding and drinking space. The Deluxe has stainless feeding and drinking bowls fitted on the same plastic stand with a spill-proof surface and splash-proof wall. The elevated stand renders the Deluxe kick-proof. Spilled water drains to the stand tank below, and the spilled food is left on the surface for disposal. Sizes range from small to large, and you can choose from a range of 6 colors. The Deluxe can be disassembled for easy cleaning, and the bowls can be cleaned in the dishwasher. Nothing works better than having your dog's food and water bowls fitted in the same space. And if the 2 bowls are fitted on an anti-splash and spill-proof stand, the deal gets even better. That's why the Feeder Deluxe is an ideal choice. At number 3, we have the UPSKY Dog Bowl. UPSKY Dog Bowl holds a maximum of 35 ounces of water. This saves you the trouble of multiple refills during the day. The high-tech bowl releases water from the bottom to a floating lid each time the dog laps. That controls your pet's drinking speed and prevents choking. Since there is only a little amount of water on the lid at any given time, your dog can drink slowly without splashing water all over the place. Besides, the muzzle and ears are kept dry so the dog does not spill water on the floor. The lid protects the water from contaminating, and the elevated design keeps your pet's paws out of the water. The bottom has 4 non-slip mats. Apart from its attractive design, the UPSKY Dog Bowl releases little amounts of water at a time, protecting your dog from choking. Little water on the lid means no splashes and spills. At number 2, we have the LumoLeaf Dog Water Bowl. With the help of a floating disc and an anti-slip base, LumoLeaf Dog Water Bowl limits your pooch from gulping down all the water at once. Thanks to the great design, water is limited to a small area, making your pooch drink the water slowly. The anti-slip base has a wide footing that prevents tipping and spilling over. The water bowl is dishwasher safe, but you will need to take apart the floating disc and put it on the top rack of your dishwasher. The LumoLeaf bowl has a holding capacity of 35 ounces, an amount that is deemed to be insufficient for large dogs. However, it will work perfectly for smaller dogs who don't consume as much water per serving as larger dogs do. This will work perfectly for any dog owner shopping for a no-spill dog water bowl at home or on the go. Thanks to the anti-slip base and a splash-free rim, water will not be overflowing or splashing, and so you will have a mess-free floor or surface. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pet WEIGHTER Bowl. This mountable bowl has a hollow base that can be filled with water or sand before attaching the drinking water bowl. The weight and the non-slip mats at the bottom keep the bowl from sliding while your pet drinks. Pet WEIGHTER Bowl is a great choice for health reasons. Its design gives your dog a comfortable elevated eating position, healthy for its joints and neck and suitable for good digestion. You can detach the bowl from the base for easy cleaning, and both parts can be cleaned in the dishwasher. If you are conscious about your dog's health, the Pet Weighther bowl is a healthy choice for your dog. Your dog eats from an elevated position, which is ideal for proper digestion and healthy joints.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.